Hi there, this is Anaelysse with United Commercial Insurance. I am here to talk to you today about how insurance carriers calculate your general liability premium. So, the first thing that a carrier will take into consideration when calculating a premium is your business type. So, whether you're a restaurant owner, a construction business, or in the transportation field, whatever it may be, that is going to be the first thing that they take into consideration. After that, they're going to go into a little bit more detail about your business. So, what are the daily operations like? What is the employee breakdown? Things like that, and also questions that are catered more towards your business. So, for example, if you own a restaurant, what kind of food do you sell? What kind of equipment do you cook on? Is it a full service restaurant or do people walk up to a counter? Things of that nature. After that, the next thing that they'll want to know is going to be your business's revenue. So this is going to be your revenue before business costs or taxes. And this is how most general liability policies are going to be rated. So with the first part of your business type, the classification, and the revenue of the business, they will get a rating number, and that is how they calculate your premium. Typically, you can see this breakdown within a quote. If you can't, you can always ask your agent to break that down for you so you know exactly where that is coming from. One other factor that goes into your general liability is prior losses. So you may hear your agent ask you for a loss run report. This is pretty standard for many policies, even outside of general liability. So this is a report from any past insurance carriers that you have had, showing either that you have had no claims history, or if you have had claims history, what that may be. So those are a couple things to look out for. Some other ways that a general liability policy may be rated is based off of an employee basis. For specifically a garage liability policy, this is how many of them are rated off of, how many employees are working in that auto shop. It is always important to understand why you're paying what you are and how that's being calculated. So I do encourage you to ask your agent where that number comes from and how it came to that. If you have any specific questions or would like to get a general liability quote, please reach out to us. We would be happy to help you get those quotes put together. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.